Hi, here's how you can start using many AI models in Saner.AI. Saner has a single place where you can manage all your uses and cost for external AI models like OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, Grok, and DeepSeek. To get there, just click your profile icon in the top left corner here and select External AI. At the top of the page, you can see the Top Up Now button. This is where you can add credits to use external AI models. Right below that, there's a billing history where you can check past transactions. And scroll out, you will see like three main big sections: external AI, pricing, and usage history. First, external AI. Here you can see the details for each models, and you can also add your API key to use your models. Next is pricing. Saner uses a pay-as-you-go model, so you only pay for what you actually use. Each AI model has its own per token pricing, as you can see here. And for reference, about 1 million tokens is roughly 750,000 words. Finally, there's a usage history. This gives you a clear and detailed log of how your credits are spent across models, including interaction times, input costs, and output cost. The goal of this page is to give you full visibility and full control when you use many AI models on Saner. Okay, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, just reach out to us anytime.